Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. This is a magical video because right here in this video, I'm going to tell you that I got approved for this credit card with just my email address and cell phone number. It sounds impossible, right? No, I'm going to teach you how you can get this credit card with no credit check at all. Yes, they don't even care about your credit. It's 0% APR, it's $0 fee, and it's guaranteed approval. Yes, you can get this credit card with just your email address and your cell phone number. That's it, and it's guaranteed approval. So watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you this magic right here in front of you in this video. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, here's my own personal account, and you can see that I got approved for this $600 with just my email address and cell phone number. Yes, they don't even care about your credit at all, so you can get approved for it 100% guaranteed. And I'm going to show you how it works, how you can do that. So please stick around and watch this video till the end. So now let's go towards their website and see what they offer. So right here is an amazing opportunity, and this time is from Afterpay. As I already told you, this is a great opportunity, and anyone can get approved for it just with their email address and cell phone number. But you gotta promise me, if you get approved for it, let me know in the comments below, and I will be replying to each and every comment of yours. If you have any question, let me know. But I'm going to show you how it works. But before going there, I want to show you about their store, that how it looks and what sort of brands they offer right here. Literally, I can easily say and easily tell that this is one of the most impressive websites, or you can say online stores, I've ever seen on internet. They have pretty much all the brands. Yes, they are partnered with all the brands right here. If you talk about Ulta, Adidas, Levi's, or any other brand, you just say the name and they have it on their website. And this is a really massive thing because not a lot of websites or a lot of online stores offers everything, but they do have pretty much everything. If you want to have something for your house like furniture and stuff, you can do that. They also offer electronics, clothing, jewelry. Just ask what you want and they will give it to you. And you know what's the great thing on top of it? They give you a credit card. Yes, with just your email address and cell phone number. And this is crazy. When I came across it, I was stunned and I'm like, is this a reality? And yes, it is. I'm going to show you how it works. So I know you guys are really eager, so let's go towards how it works right here. And it's 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as I click on it, this page will open right here. Yes, first, when you sign up for it with your email address and your cell phone number, I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it and then you can sign up. So when you do that, after that, they will approve you for a credit card starting from $600 up to whatever amount they will approve you for, because I believe it's totally on their mood. They got me approved for $600, and I hope that your limit must be higher or same as mine. And the great thing about it as well, they never stop you from buying anything. Whatever you buy, you are guaranteed to get it. Yes, it actually breaks it even further into 4 payments. Yes, so for example, if you got approved for $600, right, you bought something for $100, so you're not even going to pay that $100 in full at once, but they will actually break it into 4 easy payments. And the great thing about it as well, that it's due in every 2 weeks. Yes, and it's always 0% interest, means you will not pay a single penny when it comes to APR, and there is no fee on top whenever you pay on time. So remember to pay on time. It's due in every 2 weeks. You will not pay a single penny on fee. You will not pay a single penny on interest. It's instant approval decision. You are going to get approved for it no matter what. You remember the promise. If you get approved for it, you are going to let me know in the comments below, and I will be really happy to see that you guys are getting it. Believe me, it will make our day, and this is literally a massive opportunity, right? You can browse to your favorite stores. You can choose AfterPay as your payment method to check out and instantly create your account and complete your purchase. This is amazing. Again, I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description, and you can click on it and then you can apply for it. On Trustpilot, their score is excellent. It's 5-star. Yes, they've been around for quite a while. They do have an app. You can download the app on your app store, means on your iOS or on your iPhone, or if you're an Android phone, you can actually download it on Google Play as well. They have pretty neat app as well, and I really like that app because it's really simple and really straightforward. Again, let me just review it. When you actually going to sign up for it using the link below in the video's description, right, they will approve for you for a credit card, and then whenever you want to buy something, they will break it into 4 easy payments with 0% interest and no additional fee. Yes, there is no fee if you pay on time, and it's guaranteed approval. You are going to get this credit card no matter what. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. If you want me to review something else as well, please let me know in the comment below. I will be happy to do that. Also, I'm going to do a giveaway of $100 in my next video, so please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload that. So the first 10 people who will comment on my next video will get $100. So this is an amazing opportunity if you want to avail it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next giveaway video and the $10,000 personal loan video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.